Washington, D.C., and its surrounding areas experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from the hot and humid summer months to cold winters with heavy snow and occasional storms. Homeowners in the region must ensure that their homes are well prepared to handle these weather fluctuations. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your home is by upgrading to replacement windows. These windows not only enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency but also provide superior protection against the harsh weather conditions Washington experiences. Here's how replacement windows can help protect your home from the elements, ensuring that your home remains comfortable, safe, and energy efficient. Increased insulation for temperature control. Washington experiences a variety of temperatures throughout the year, and managing your home's indoor temperature is crucial for maintaining comfort. During the summer, extreme heat can drive up cooling costs, while winter's chill can lead to higher heating bills. Older windows, particularly single-pane windows, allow heat to escape in the winter and let unwanted heat enter during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing energy consumption. Replacement windows with double or triple glazing provide significantly better insulation. The multiple layers of glass and insulating gases, such as argon or krypton, reduce heat transfer. This means that in the winter, warm air stays inside, and in the summer, the heat from the outside is kept at bay. The added insulation not only helps regulate your home's temperature but also reduces the strain on your HVAC system, which leads to lower energy bills and improved comfort year-round. Enhanced weather resistance against storms. Washington occasionally experiences powerful storms, including heavy rain, high winds, and even the rare hurricane. During these times, windows are one of the most vulnerable parts of your home. If not properly protected, they can crack, shatter, or allow water and debris into your home, causing significant damage. Replacement windows, particularly impact-resistant windows, are designed to withstand the extreme weather conditions common in Washington. These windows are built with laminated glass and reinforced frames, making them highly resistant to damage from high winds, flying debris, or even hail. By installing impact-resistant windows, you can better protect your home from the elements during a storm, preventing broken glass, water damage, and other potential hazards. This added protection can be particularly valuable in high-risk weather conditions, ensuring your home stays safe and secure. Prevention of drafts and air leaks. As Washington experiences temperature swings throughout the year, it's important that your home remains properly sealed to prevent air from leaking in or out. Old, worn-out windows often have gaps or broken seals that let drafts enter your home. This not only causes discomfort but also puts additional strain on your heating and cooling systems. Replacement windows come with advanced sealing and weather stripping that prevent drafts and reduce air leakage. This ensures that your home remains airtight, which helps to maintain a stable indoor temperature. By keeping cold air out in the winter and hot air out in the summer, your new windows help keep your home comfortable without causing your energy bills to skyrocket. The improved air tightness also reduces the risk of moisture entering your home, which can lead to mold or water damage. Protection from UV rays and sun damage. Washington's summers can be hot and sunny, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage both your home's interior and the health of its inhabitants. UV rays can cause furniture, carpets, and artwork to fade over time. Additionally, the UV rays can raise the temperature inside your home, making it uncomfortable during the warmer months. Replacement windows with low E coatings can effectively block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to enter your home. This reduces the risk of sun damage to your interior furnishings and helps maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. The low E coatings reflect the heat from the sun outside while allowing light to pass through, so you can enjoy a bright and welcoming home without the excessive heat. This feature is particularly useful during Washington's hot, sunny months, allowing you to stay cool and protect your home's interior. Noise reduction for a quieter home. In addition to protecting against the physical elements, replacement windows can help with noise reduction. Washington is a busy city with high traffic, construction, and general city noise, which can seep into your home if your windows aren't properly insulated. This can be particularly disruptive if you live near a busy street or commercial area. Many modern replacement windows come with soundproofing features, such as double or triple glazing and thicker window panes, which significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. This is particularly beneficial if you live in a bustling area of Washington or near a highway. By upgrading your windows, you can create a quieter and more peaceful living environment, free from constant disturbances. Durability and long-term protection. The weather in Washington can be unpredictable, and extreme conditions, whether it's a heavy snowstorm or a hot summer day, can wear down old windows. Replacement windows are designed with durable materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, that are resistant to cracking, warping, or fading, even under extreme weather conditions. These materials require little maintenance, ensuring long-term protection and durability. New, high-quality windows won't just protect your home now, but they will continue to perform well for years to come, providing consistent protection from the elements. Conclusion. Replacement windows in Washington provide significant advantages in protecting your home from harsh weather, improving your home's energy efficiency, and enhancing overall comfort. Whether you're dealing with intense storms, temperature fluctuations, UV damage, or noise pollution, new windows offer better insulation, stronger weather resistance, and long-term durability. By investing in high-quality windows, you ensure that your home remains safe, comfortable, and energy efficient no matter what the weather brings. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more secure, sustainable, and peaceful living environment in Washington.